Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Wickeden. So I hope you are all fine and keeping in good health. So today you are going to learn about purpose statement. So purpose statement is very important as far as technical English is concerned. So what is this technical English? So English used for specific domain or purpose is known as a technical English. So we have different domain like engineering, medicine, fine arts, etc. So each domain, the language, the English language we use is different. In the sense, the vocabulary, the way of language, the kind of voice we use is different and pertaining to particular domain. Okay, so that's why we call it technical English. So here, what is this purpose statement? So statement means sentence. So sentence expressing the purpose or reason or objective or the use. What is the use of it? What is the objective of it? So that's only purpose. So this is known as a purpose statement. Some institutions they use purpose statement for their vision, mission and goals also. Let's see this purpose statement. How we can make sentence expressing purpose statement. There are some modules or we can say patterns of this purpose statement. Especially we start with the purpose of or the objective of plus is to. So whatever is you can see bold in bold, they are only the pattern. Okay, the purpose of is to. So the purpose of English Wickeden is to enhance language skills. So instead of English Wickeden, suppose we use the word camera. The purpose of camera is to capture image or picture. Okay, see the second pattern. English Wickeden is used for enhancing language skills. So if you use used for, then followed by ing form of the verb. Okay, so that is the second pattern. Suppose you use the word camera, object camera. So camera is used for capturing picture or images. Like that we can use. So same object also can be used in all the pattern. That example only given as a English Wickeden. See, I watch English Wickeden in order to enhance language skills. You should watch English Wickeden so as to enhance language skills. See, here meaning is almost the same, but we have used a different pattern like in order to or so as to express the purpose of it. I watch English Wickeden regularly so that I can enhance language skills. So we can use like I use camera regularly so that I can capture image or picture. Okay, so in that way any object we can replace here with the English Wickeden. Just an example. And for every object the purpose or expression of purpose can be used in all this pattern. But when we use purpose of, we have to use is to only. The same way used for ing. Okay, in between middle of the sentence means we use in order to, so as to, so that. But when we use the difference between all these and so that is that, when we use so that we use two sentences. Okay, so remember that. Now the questions can be asked like this. Give purpose statement for the following. So here you have microphone, accelerator, robots, catalyst, camera. So all these are modern technical objects. Okay, so we have to give the purpose. So at least you can try for one object. I hope you have made sentence for one object, at least in your mind. Okay, next let's discuss the answer. So microphone is used to convert sound into an electrical signal. So here if you use other pattern also we can use. Okay, the purpose of microphone is to convert sound into an electrical signal. In that way also we can use. See the second sentence. The purpose of accelerator is to increase speed. So we can also say accelerator is used to increase speed or used for increasing speed. So we use robots in order to perform complex actions. Catalyst is used in lab so as to create chemical reaction. I bought a new camera so that I can shoot a short film. See there, so that we are using two sentences. I bought a new camera. I can shoot a short film. On the rest of the sentence we use like a phrase, that is in order to and so as to. And the first two sentences, the purpose of and used to or used for is are completely different. So how they have been used. Another way of asking questions to make purpose statement. Use the hints below to make sentences expressing purpose. So hints are given. Hints means clues are there. Okay. So the object is given and its purpose is given. So you have to combine them into sentence. Like a flow chart represents a process, a series of steps. An experiment demonstrate a principle. HIV education to reduce AIDS. LCD projector present visual material with speech. An aerial receives broadcast signal. So how will you convert these two, that is object and purpose, into purpose statement? At least you do one in your mind, or you can write any one of these. Now answers. Let's see. Flow chart. We use a flow chart in order to represent a process as a series of steps. We can also use the purpose of flow chart. So when we use purpose of, then the order of the sentence will change. The purpose of flow chart is to represent. It will come. Okay. Or flow chart is used for representing a process. So the verb will change into ing form if you use the flow chart is used for. Science teacher uses an experiment so as to demonstrate a principle. Okay. So here we have science teaches an experiment so as to, like in order to demonstrate a principle. Like that also we can use. Once the object is completed in sentence, first sentence, then you can use so as to or in order to. The purpose of HIV education is to reduce AIDS. So the purpose, so is to will come. We can also write in other form. Okay. So HIV education is given in order to reduce AIDS. LCD projector is used for presenting visual material with speech. We use aerials in order to receive broadcast signals. So you can use aerial is used for receiving broadcast signals. So in all the pattern we can write, but when we write we have to be careful. If we use purpose of, then you have to follow with is to. Okay. Or in between means in order to or so as to. Okay, so that's it, how we combine the statement, the object and the statement. Hope you learned something. Thank you.